Hello guys, welcome to my channel Hair. Today we are going to learn advanced sorting. So here is one problem. So first of all we are going to look into this problem. Here is our serial number, here is our item name, quantity and customer number. So when we are sorting this, sorting with this item number A to Z, here we can see the serial number is messed up. We can see the 1489372. we will need this as ascending order also in order. So how can we do it? So let's start from this simple formula. So for this we will be doing here, I'm deleting this. So here we need like this 1 2 3 4 1 2 and here 1 2 3. We need like this format. So in big data it is very hard to do this manually, so we will use one formula. So first of all we will go here and type here 1. After that we will use here if formula. So here we go, we will type if logical test this equal to this, then it will give this plus 1, otherwise 1. Okay, here we see. Now we will drag here or double click. Now here we can see the difference. Here if we do this mismatch, but where we here we do now, so where it is, okay, you can see here or in ascending order or in descending order we can see the difference, and it is in sequence form. You can see here. So if I put here any or PS and drag this one, then you can see here, look at this. After sorting, this is also sorted by ascending order. So this is one simple trick, you can apply this one. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and share this video. Thank you.